Hey everyone, today I'm going to be working on this small display. So a little bit of history on this. I received this a couple of years ago, and this was well before I had any idea of what I was doing with furniture makeovers. So I just threw some paint on it and I got out some rubber stamps and was just playing around with this piece. It came out terrible. I'm gonna strip it down and then I'm going to primer it and then we'll be ready to paint. There's a furniture makeover artist named Kacha, and she's amazing. She just put out a line of paints and paint brushes. So I ordered some and I just received my shipment and I'm really excited to use her products and try them out on this piece. I ended up having to take this whole thing apart, scrub out all of the paint and gunk from the nooks and crannies. I primered this piece and now we are ready to go ahead and paint. finished with this piece. I love how the brown wax just tones the piece down and ages it. With just a little bit of glitz and glam with the gold highlights. I loved working with Kacha's products. They work like a dream. The paint is highly pigmented. A little goes a long way. This color combination is very beautiful, very soft muted tones. Her brushes just help the spreadability of the product. It was just so nice to work with. I'm definitely looking forward to getting more of her products and definitely looking forward to using these on a big piece, so stay tuned for that. I love that I was able to take a piece that I worked on a couple of years ago and just change it completely. It was a lot of prep work because I really messed this piece up the first go around. It was a mess. I'm really glad it came out looking like this the second go around. I think it's beautiful. It's gonna be a really nice display case. This piece is like a marker of my progress from a newbie who did not know what she was doing to, now I got the hang of it. I understand what products to use and how to apply them. So I love seeing that progress. What do you think? Did you see the piece in the beginning and go, what a mess, what is she planning to do with that? Is it salvageable? Yes, salvageable. I think many things are. Thank you very much for joining me. Go ahead and hit like, comment, and subscribe.